To use Articulate 360, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for a trial. Go to articulate.com, scroll down, click Discover Articulate 360, and then fill in the boxes over here to set up your trial. Check your email, follow the instructions in this email, and then we'll meet back at 360.articulate.com. Click on Rise 360 to start building your course. Click New Course. And for the purposes of this lesson, we're going to build a blank course. Your course must have a title. Our course is going to be about cookies. You can hide or show the course author here. You must describe your course. After that, add a new lesson. Once you've named your lesson, click Add Content. For right now, we're going to add the lesson content. And now we're in our lesson page. Rise runs on blocks. There are all kinds of blocks that we can put in. Let's start with a text block. And here we can see all of our options. So we can have a paragraph alone, paragraph with heading, paragraph with a subheading, just a heading. Lots and lots of options with style as well. We're going to choose paragraph with heading. We're going to Wikipedia to copy their information about cookies. So we'll call this heading Cookie Introduction. And paste our info. We can preview this course and see what the student will see. Right now, not very different from what we're seeing. But check this out. You can see how it's going to look on a portrait tablet, landscape, mobile. So that's cool, right? Let's go back and edit and add another block. Add an image, which we can edit here. Let's check out the content library. So Articulate comes with a huge content library that you can use as part of your subscription. Look at all of these tasty cookie pictures. Let's find a good one. I like that. And there we go. Now there's a picture of a cookie in our lesson. A cool thing about Articulate's block-based publishing is you can move things around super easily. Here we are in our image block that has our cute cookie picture. If we go right here and hit this up arrow, it moves the block up one. We can also change how the image is laid out. So on the left here, it says image centered, and you can see that image is centered on the page. We can make the image full width. We can put text on the image. Or we can even create a carousel and add more images. Let's add some. I'm going to do the content library again because I don't have anything. I think that's enough. Now check it out. There's a caption. You can scroll through and see all of the pictures in your carousel. Let's move it back down underneath. Let's add a process content block. This type of block takes your learners through the steps of a process. Click Edit to fill in your process. I'm going to take my learners through a chocolate chip cookie recipe. I'm going to copy and paste some information from a website. Here you can upload a file or embed something. I'm going to upload a picture. I saved the picture from the website. You also have the option to record audio, which I won't be doing, but it's a cool thing that can be done. And then you have the option for several steps. I'll go ahead and copy the steps from the website. The media that's included doesn't have to be there. I'm going to remove this image altogether. When you're in the text box, you have text editing options. I don't need this to be a list. It's fine just as paragraphs. You can edit your font and colors. You can insert a link. Again, I'm going to remove this image. You can add steps. You have to add a summary. Let's embed some media so that we have additional instructional material. So to add media, click here for Embed from Web. This is a video of someone making the cookies in that recipe. Let's go to the Share, get the embed code, copy, paste that iframe code, hit Enter. Let's scroll through. Here's the picture I borrowed from the website in the introduction. There are the ingredients. There are the preparation instructions. There's that helpful third step that I added. And there's the summary with the embedded video. Let's explore the rest of the blocks. There are some fun interactive options. Let's take a look at sorting. Click Edit. From here, we can set up categories and items that belong inside them. So what are some types of cookies? And some things that aren't cookies. Okay, that's good. Now, let's go to the preview mode to see how a student will see it. So what the student does is drags to the proper thing, and it gives them feedback if they've done it wrong. Now let's continue building our lesson. We can also do flashcards. These are super fun. You can do them grid style or stack style. Let's go with stack, and let's edit our cards. Cards are fully customizable and can be text or image. See here, card 1 front. Let's change that to be a centered image. Edit, place from content library. Let's find a type of cookie here. Very good. So that's a macaron, and then we need the back of the card to say macaron so that the student can flip through the cards. I think I want card number 2 to be text on both sides. I'm going to go back to Wikipedia and get a definition. So on the front, I'm going to place the cookie definition, and on the back we'll put the term. And one more for good measure. Let's see what a full card image looks like. There are our 3 flashcards. Let's close it. And let's preview it as a student. We scroll down to our flashcard section. Click to flip. Go to our next card. There's our definition. Click to flip. There's our term. There's our picture. Click to flip, and that's the type of cookie it is. Content blocks aren't limited to what appears in this bar. If you click all blocks, a sidebar will open up that shows you absolutely everything that you can do. There are many options in each type of content block. These options make it very easy to design your course to be beautiful without having to do a ton of work. Here, you can add audio, video, attach a file, or even put in a bit of code. Let's check out Accordion. Accordion blocks save space on your page by hiding content underneath the plus sign. Click the plus sign to see more. Let's edit this with our content. And let's once again grab our definition from Wikipedia. And I've saved a picture of a bar cookie on my desktop, so we do replace media. It'll open your Finder or your Windows Explorer, and you can upload from there. And I already pulled a sugar cookie image from the content library, so let's grab that one again. Then let's go to a different page and grab our definition. And then let's go to the content library to get the same picture we took last time. Let's click close and take a look. Here's the Accordion default. When we click the plus sign, the definition and the picture show up. I'm not sure I like the accordion though. Let's go over here to our options. We can change it to a tab. So now the same title, the same definition, and the same image are still there, it's just a different layout. And I think I like that better. There are still more types of blocks we haven't explored. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the multiple response knowledge check. Here we can have several correct answers to the questions. Once you've entered all your responses, click Edit, and then here you can select which options are correct. So it's French, and it's almond flour. You can also give feedback. For more valuable feedback, choose to give different responses for correct and incorrect answers. So if they choose the correct answer, you can say something like, "Good job." And if they do something incorrect, try again. And we're done. Let's preview it as a student. You can scroll down to our knowledge check. And let's choose one correct and one incorrect. And see, we got the little quiz wrong. So it says try again. Let's go back to the edit mode and then close the lesson to add a quiz. Click Add Content, select Quiz, and here we can make a graded quiz. There are several types of quiz questions available to you: multiple choice, multiple response, fill in the blank, and matching. I'll begin with the default first quiz question, which is multiple choice. With all your options entered, make sure that the radio button is filled in beside the correct choice. Again, you have the option for feedback, and on the quiz, you can do the same feedback for any response. You can do differing feedback for correct and incorrect answers, or you can even have a custom response for every choice. Let's do that. And this is the correct answer. This way you can use your quiz as a learning experience rather than just guesswork. Let's look at another type of quiz question. We'll do a fill in the blank. I've already copied a definition. And I'll have custom responses for correct and incorrect answers. Let's preview as a student. We'll start the quiz. And there's my custom feedback. Let's get the wrong answer. Let's go back to edit mode. That's about all you need to know for the quiz. Let's go back to the overall course content. In order to share your lesson, and in order to turn in your assignment, click the Share button. Copy the preview link, and now anyone with this link will be able to view your course. Just to show you, I'm going to go to Firefox where I've never signed into Rise. I'm going to paste my link, and now you can see the course. And then we can go over on the sidebar and start the quiz. Thank you for watching this video about Rise from Articulate 360. Good luck with your assignment.